Hi guys, let's remove the steering wheel spacer from the car. Let's see if this is such an easy operation like I advertise. First of all, disconnect the battery and pull out the airbag unit from the steering wheel. Untighten the two bolts, the Torx bolts, behind the steering wheel that hold the airbag in place. One, unlock it, okay, and the other one. Work this side, not here, otherwise you risk to damage the instrument cluster. Very easy, there is only one bolt per side and they are very easy to find. Okay, it's out. Straight steering wheel, gently pull out the airbag unit and unplug the connector using a flat screwdriver to help yourself. Don't pull because it's very tight. Okay, one sec, done. The airbag unit is out. Unplug the horn wires, 1 and 2. Okay, all the electricals are out. Now, untighten the main nut. If somebody hold the steering wheel, it's better. Okay, it's untightened. Make sure the steering wheel slides on the shaft and remove the central nut. Remove the steering wheel gently and help the wires go inside the slot. And the steering wheel is out. Remove the shaft from the aluminum part of the steering wheel spacer. Just 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unscrew, very easy. Okay, it's out. Now, same job as the steering wheel. Let's remove the central nut. The locking mechanism of the car, of the steering, will help you. Remove the central nut and remove the spacer. It may be locked in, so just put the nut in place and pull it out. You may need Okay, it slides on the shaft. You can pull out. Remove the nut, pull it out, gently make the wires go inside the slot. Okay, it's out. It's gone. You can resell it. Now, let's put the steering wheel in place. Okay, gently. The wires inside the slot. The airbag and the horn. Okay, they are gone, they are passed. Make the steering wheel gently slide in the shaft. Put the nut and pry tight by hand. And tight with the key. Okay, it's done. Reconnect the wire of the horn, 1 and 2. And now the airbag back in place. Gently put the connector in the socket, push there is only one way, and put the airbags in line with the steering wheel. At this point, tight the two bolts that hold the steering wheel in place. One, you better work here, not here, close to the instrument cluster. Very tight by hand, few turns and it's done. Then give a lock with the tool. Okay, it's enough. No more force is required. Okay, it's done. Straight steering wheel. Just be sure that the horn can be pressed as usual. Key off. Battery on. It's done. You're free. You can go. You can drive. Bye bye, guys.